Hey guys, Ratan here. Welcome to my channel, The Daru TV. As you read the title, I'll be telling you which is the best flavored Lay's chips to have with whiskey. So before we start the video, guys, my YouTube analytics tells me that 91% of my viewers have not subscribed to my channel. It means a lot if you subscribe to my channel. Over here you have that red subscribe button, right? It takes just 1 second. Come on guys, go smash that button. Yep, thank you. So are you guys ready? Let's get started. Guys, I'll be rating the chips from good to bad, and I'll be having my own Infinity whiskey. Let's pour a peg and let's start. So guys, the first flavor which I'll be trying is chili lemon. So I haven't tried this flavor at all, so let's try it. Cheers. Nice. I kinda like this because kinda have a strong flavor of the lime and also the hint of spiciness. It is not too spicy, but actually it goes well with whiskey. Nice spiciness with the lemon. I kinda like it. So we'll keep it near the good part. I kinda like this. So guys, the next flavor which we'll be trying is Spanish tomato. I kinda like this flavor, but I haven't tried with whiskey. So let's try it. It is actually good by its own, but it actually doesn't go well with the whiskey because this has this tanginess, but it's also on the sweeter side. It doesn't have that spicy tinge to it. So I think it will be near the bad part. The next is Lay's Classic. This is a normal salted chips, so let's see how it tastes with whiskey. Nice. This is actually pretty good. This is simple, nice salted chips. It actually really goes well with the whiskey, but it is not as good as the chili lemon part. So I'd put it somewhere over here. The next flavor is cream and onion. I don't know if it goes good with the whiskey or not, but I kinda like the flavor as its own. Let's taste this. It doesn't go well. Like the smoothness of the whiskey, it actually doesn't go well with the cream and onion. This is very sweet on the palate. You get the hint of the onion creamish kind of flavor, which doesn't go well with the whiskey. So I think it goes somewhere over here. So the next flavor is India's Magic Masala. So many actually love this flavor. So let's try it. Nice. I love this. Guys, this one really goes well with the whiskey. It has this nice spiciness and also that masala thing. Lovely, it goes really well with the whiskey. Man, I love this. So obviously it goes over here. Guys, last but not the least, West Indies hot and sweet chili. So before that, let's cleanse our palate. This is drinking water, don't worry. Nice. So let's taste West Indies hot and sweet. Lovely. Lovely. This is actually good, guys. Not as good as the magic masala, but this is good. You get a nice hint of spiciness, and at the end you get that nice sweetness also. Yep. Nice. It actually really goes well with the whiskey. So I think it is actually better than the chili lemon part. So I'll put it in the second. Here is the list of good to bad flavors to have with whiskey. So my personal favorite is India's magic masala, hot and sweet. Next comes chili lemon, classic salted, tomato tango, and the least favorite which I liked is cream and onion. So that's it, guys. So I have made an easy job for you guys to pick up the lace flavor to have with whiskey. And wait, guys, wait, don't go. I'll give you a pro tip. The pro tip is take your box and mix all your lace flavored chips, and trust me, it will surely taste good. Just put it over here. Take the box, mix it once, and there you have multi-flavored lace chips. You will surely love this. Let's try. Nice. The thing is, when you kind of start drinking and mix your flavors, you get different flavors every time you just munch on these chips, right? Fuck, I just got cream and onion and I don't like it. It doesn't really go well with whiskey. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, hit that like button, share my video. And guys, as I told you, 91% of my viewers have not subscribed to my channel. It just takes 1 second to hit that subscribe button. Do hit that, and thank you. And till my next video, drink responsibly and cheers.